Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
I just got back from the gym and I'm about to make something to eat because I am starving. Guys, I finished my 75 hard challenge. If you're new here, I started a 75 hard challenge, and what it basically is it's a mental and physical challenge, and you have 6 steps that you need to follow every single day for 75 days. And I've done that. And oh my gosh, I am so happy that I'm done. At the same time, it's very rewarding. I'm very proud, the fact that I've done it, and the fact that every single day I show up and I do it freaking tired, because that's what I be, okay? That's what I am. Very tired while doing it every single day, showing up to the gym, completing all these 6 steps. If you're looking for something that will make you a little bit more disciplined, fitness-wise, my results are amazing. The fact that I've started seeing results early on, also, that was yeah, body look good, everything tight, everything right. So love, love, love that. But I'm just so excited. Will I do the challenge again? Probably, but not right now. Well, of course, I just finished it. In the future, I'll definitely try it again. If you tell yourself that you can't do it, because I remember when I started, I was so much in my head oh, I don't know if I can do it. 75 days is too much risk. But it's discipline and just showing up every single day. Motivation is not going to carry you through, baby girl. Because when I get up each day and go into the gym after work, especially when it's dark now, it ain't motivation. It's the fact that I need to show up, okay? Because I'm already in kind of that routine. I formed that habit, so I just go. Sometimes second nature, I'm tired, but my legs just keep going to the gym. Anyways, and I also had an accountability partner, so if you're gonna do it, get one of those as well, because it really helped. During the process, I was doing it with someone, so it makes it a lot easier for both of us to just show up to the gym together and kind of hold each other accountable, and also push each other. I wasn't just going to the gym and just doing any and any workout and do the bare minimum. I was going and I was really putting in the hard work, and I was really doing PBs, all sort of things. So now I'm very, very exhausted. I finished yesterday, but I still ended up going to the gym today because I'm just in the routine now. So I'm gonna try and fizzle myself out to about 5 days instead of 7, but we'll see how it goes. With anything, you kind of fizzle off, you don't just jump off, okay? Well, for me anyway, I like to just fizzle out before just cutting it out completely. But anyways, breakfast, I am going to make some eggs maybe. I just really need something. I just need something, anything. Okay, so I'm gonna make breakfast. I also wanted to take my hair down today. I was gonna pop to the hair shop to see if I can get some bits to do a quick weave, because I've just been scrolling on TikTok. I need a hairstyle, and I just saw a quick weave keep popping up, and I was just gonna get some stuff to buy. I was just gonna buy some stuff at the hair shop for quick weave. Their beauty supply here, I don't know how good it is, but I just really needed something quick so I don't have to be long in my hair. But I was waiting for the bus, and the bus was taking too long to come, so I changed my mind. So now I'm back home, so I think I'm gonna cut them out, and I think I'm just gonna press my hair out, and I'm just gonna wear my hair in a ponytail or something. But I really need to take these out, because yeah, they really need to come out. I was gonna try and refresh it, but I think I'm just gonna take it out. Next week is Christmas party week as well, so I really needed a hairstyle that's easy, but it looks like I'm gonna have to do ponytail or just a low bun or something, which I didn't want it to do. But I don't know, will I take this out? We'll see how the day goes. It's about 2:08. So I don't know, it's a bit of a late one. I also wanted to go and see Wicked. If I do my hair, I'm not going to end up going to see Wicked today, but I really wanted to go and see it, so we'll see how that goes. I'm done making my breakfast. I did overdo my my wrap because I was watching TikTok, so that's overdone, and it's also the last one that I have. So Yeah. Breakfast is 3 chicken sausages, and then I did like 4 eggs with loads of veg. And this is what I'm gonna have. It's not enough, but I'm gonna use this to hold me while I get through the house and do some stuff. I have a mountain heap of laundry there that I need to fold up. I have a load in the washing machine that I need to hang up. So if I can get this down and then do that, then that's great. Because outside is also gonna be getting dark real quick. So I like to just get what I need to do out of the way before it gets dark, because as soon as it gets dark, I'm putting my blinds down and I'm turning on the lights, and yeah, it's nighttime, okay? Even though it's like after 3, after 4. I know everyone has like chores that they just despise doing. Mine is basically, I don't mind putting up the laundry, but I just hate folding them after and then putting them away. And that is what I'm about to do now. I'm just hanging up these ones that I have from the washing machine. I probably should do the drying settings, but I feel like the drying setting wrinkle my clothes too much, and when I'm like going to work, I don't want to iron it. So that's why I do it this way. I feel like if I do the drying settings, I'm gonna have to iron my clothes, and I just don't want to do that because it just saved me some time. Everything literally just come out so wrinkly. So yeah, so I just hang them up, let them blow out a little bit, and then it's just to fold them, man. It's just one task that I just don't like doing. Folding laundry. Another one is taking my hair down. Like whenever I braid it, the last thing I want to do is take it down. Maybe I should find like a takedown service or something. So whenever I spend so much time braiding my hair, whoa. So whenever I spend so much time braiding my hair, I can just pay someone to like take it down and then wash it as well and blow dry it, so I can get to do something else or whatever I want to do to it after, because those are like my main time consuming tasks that I don't like. Take down the braids, having to wash it, having to blow dry it. It's just very long for me. So I need to find someone to do that. I don't mind like braiding my own hair, because I do enjoy braiding it and seeing like how the end result is, and just knowing that yeah, I did that. I love that, but I just don't like taking it down after. And I don't like blow drying my hair. Maybe I should have bought like a new blow dryer. Maybe I should have got like a new blow dryer. This is me just trying to like buy shit. It is, I haven't bought anything for like Black Friday. But I was like thinking like a few things that I wanted to get, but I don't need anything, so that's why I haven't like spent my money. Like the older I get, the less I spend money on unnecessary shit, and I haven't bought anything. That's a lie. The only thing that I actually bought is like body wash, like my usual stuff. So like body wash, I bought like another spray that I used to spray my face. Let me show you. I use this every single day after the gym, and it's basically like a hypochlorous acid, and it just kills bacteria after the gym. So I just re-up on this, and I re-up on like my body wash, I re-up on like my mouthwash, and that's all I bought on Amazon. So I haven't done anything crazy. Like the older I get, like the less money I just want to spend on like unnecessary things, unnecessary clothes that probably not gonna last long if it's not good quality, especially like for the basics. Or if I don't need it, then I just don't need to buy it. I don't know if it's anyone else or if it's just me, but sometimes shopping makes me so exhausted. I might go online and try to find stuff, and I might scroll 2 pages and I'm like, yeah, I'm so exhausted. Also, I know I haven't like shared that much of my 75 hard challenge on here. I only showed like talk about it a little bit in like a few videos, but I haven't shared like my workouts and go like deep into like me doing the challenge. And one reason I've done that is because I am really doing this for me, and it's also the first time I'm doing the challenge. I really wanted to like lock in and focus on like myself and really get the benefits, rather than the additional burnout of like filming content and stuff. So that was like a decision that I've made, not to show like a every single day check-in type of thing on socials. And I feel like I've made like such a great decision doing that, because even the challenge itself is so exhausting. So thinking about filming content on top of it, I would just be signing myself up for a massive burnout. But I said that to say, if you have any questions about the challenge, or if you want me to talk about anything in like one of my vlogs or another video, then do leave the questions down in the comment section, and I'll be happy to do that.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I
Just remember, I have a Christmas tree from last year, so I'm definitely gonna be putting up my Christmas tree tomorrow. I didn't buy, wrong light. I didn't buy any new like ornaments or anything. I'm just gonna use the same ones that I have. There's no need for me to buy any new ornaments, or maybe I should go to the store. No, I'm gonna put up the tree with the ornaments that I have. So yeah, get into the festive vibe. I'm about to like take my hair out. Just finished like cleaning up and stuff, and I need to like make dinner as well, but we're gonna do that in a little bit after my hair is out.
go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried to make.
Can you believe it's almost 8 o'clock, like 7:41? I'm still in my gym clothes that I've been in from this morning. I've made dinner though. I've cooked, and I've also meal prepped a little bit. So I basically cooked all the meat that I have in the fridge, which I was meant to do tomorrow. So I have like fish, which you saw me did earlier, and some mince, which I'm gonna use. I'm gonna make some pasta, some spaghetti with that. So I'm gonna have that as well. So at least I get meal prep for tomorrow out of the way. And now I'm about to eat dinner. I have lamb chops. Let me put this laptop here. I have lamb chops, kale, some potatoes. I'm gonna add one of the fish to it because I literally only have like one lamb chops. I had the other three last night. This is what we have going on here for dinner. So I'm gonna add some more meat to this. So I'm just gonna add one of the fish that I made. Honestly, this is taking so long. I finished a half of my head. Also ending up cutting my hair as well, which is so annoying. I was cutting off one of the little curly strands, and I mistakenly clipped the hair about this much. You guys know how long my hair is, so I cut maybe like 5-6 inches off of my hair. The good thing is a part where it doesn't really show that much, but it's still kind of like you know that feeling. It's just still kind of like annoying because now I have like that part cut. Anyways, I don't want to dwell on it. It already happened now. I can't get it back. So yeah. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. I got up a little bit earlier. Oh, it's raining outside. Got up just a little bit early. Well, I say earlier. I normally get up this time. I just started doing stuff a little bit earlier because I had to like wash my hair, like I mentioned to you guys. So I've already washed my hair. Film the process for my TikTok. So if you want to see like the products that I use, the routine, then go ahead on my TikTok or my Instagram because I probably repost it there. So now I'm about to like blow dry real quick, and I've already put on half of my gym clothes. I'm not wearing this top. I just put on like a leggings because I'm gonna head up to the gym after. Hello my lovelies, it has been a few days since I've last updated this vlog. I'm not gonna lie. My hair, I think the last time you saw me I said I was gonna silk press my hair. I did do that, added some gel to it, which means I'm gonna have to like wash it soon. I went to like a Christmas party on Friday, so I had to like add some gel to slick it back a bit, and this part I had it in like curls. I don't have any pictures to like post or show you, so this part was like 2 strand and then I curl it. Looks super cute, super cute. Anyways, I'm doing some cleaning up now. I feel like I'm always cleaning and I don't like that for me. I'm just closing my window because it's 4:30 and it's pitch black outside. So I'm just closing my window and I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree. I have not put up my Christmas tree yet. So I'm gonna put that up quickly. And yeah, I just really want in here to be like super cozy. Christmas tree up. I also need to do some meal prep today. I did go to the grocery store yesterday and I picked up chicken, some meatballs and fish. So I'm gonna make maybe the chicken and the meatballs, and then the fish I can just season and cook in the week. Not too sure what I'm gonna do with the chicken yet, but I haven't had curry chicken in a while, so maybe I should do that. Oh, I feel like I don't know if I have curry in my cupboard. Can't remember if I have curry in my cupboard, or actually I'm not making any curry. I just realized that I have these nails on and I don't want to get curry on them, so yeah, not making any curry. So what I'm gonna do with the chicken is I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna chuck it in the air fryer because I'm not making any curry with my nails, babe. Not happening. Christmas trees up. It's so cozy in here, like super cozy. Let me turn the camera and show you guys. If you haven't seen my Christmas tree last year, this was basically it. I paid like £20 for it, okay? £20. Can't remember how much I paid for the decor, but got them on Amazon. They're probably on my storefront. And that's one of my scarf because I don't have any Christmas tree skirt, so I just wrap one of my scarf around there. And it's perfect. It's cozy for 20 quid, and then I added like a little bow right there as well, just to Christmasify up there. And then over here I had to move my plant, and then I put the light there, everything, and then I also have my other light here as well. When I turn the light off, it is so cozy. Let me turn it off and show you. Actually, let me put the TV on so it's not super dark in here. I was listening to music. So let me turn the lights off. I've finished cleaning and then sat down because I got tired. So like I need to sit down and regroup, and then guess I started scrolling and it's yeah. Anyways, let me turn this around. So that's the Christmas tree. That is what it's saying. And then we've got around there super cozy. So I'm gonna jump into the shower. I haven't made dinner yet, which it is after 8, and I started putting up this tree for like ages. So I'm gonna quickly jump into the shower. Actually, I'm gonna start making my dinner, jump into the shower, so by the time I come out the shower it's almost finished or done, and then I'm going to basically just cozy up and probably watch like a Christmas movie and relax for the rest of the night. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, leave me a green heart in the comments if you reached this far. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my